What's going on, everyone? Is Apple stock a buy? Okay, so today, great recovery on a lot of the market. It looked like pre-market that Microsoft was going to drag down, a lot of names on that adjusted earnings report guidance. So with that being said, we did have a little bit of a dip off the open. Everything looks like it has recovered now, which is very, very bullish for stocks. Once you start to see stocks start to absorb bad news and either hold their daily levels of support and or hold them and go red to green is extremely bullish. Now, even though we're still quote unquote in a bear market, if you kind of just think back to last week and weeks prior, realistically this whole year, anytime we get any sort of bad news, not only do we get the selling pressure like we got this morning, but we get the continued follow through. So now that we're starting to absorb some of this bad news and the market take it in stride is very, very bullish going forward. So what we're looking at here is Apple. We are currently trending over the 20 EMA as well as the 9 power trending, the 20 SMA as well as the 9 EMA, which is the power trending move. So with that being said, today's lows coming off the wick is 146.86. We did have an initial break point here at around 149.96. Let's call it 150. We had that initial break. We did get this big candle that popped up. We are kind of consolidating. Now back testing the power trending move. Right now we have short-term support at 150.30, and then we've got change in trend support down at 149.83. So kind of keep that in mind as well, as far as, and then also our breakout level here at 150. So from where we stand now, even if we do continue to pull back into 150, we do have room to 150, 178. That's the next price target on Apple. That's yesterday's highs. Over yesterday's highs, we do have room to stretch potentially into 154 coming in the next few days going forward. With that being said, if we do lose 150 and the market does start to roll over at any point in time, because anything, in a bear market can change with the blink of an eye. If we do lose 150, you might have potential for a short here. Treat it as a scalp only. Try to get in, try to get as green as possible, as quickly as possible, and then try to get out of that trade. You're just looking for cash flow moves. You're not looking to short this all the way back down to all-time lows. Now, do we have a short-term scalp to the long side? Maybe over 150.71. You're going to give yourself that breakout, and then you're going to try to target that 150, 178. So you're going to try to target the dollar move. You're going to want to make sure you hold the 9 EMA. You're going to want to make sure 100% that you hold the 20 SMA. That 20 SMA is going to be very, very huge spot here as long as we can continue to hold this. Now, we might lose this at some point in time of the day. If we quickly lose it, chop around, and then reclaim it, it's fine. If we lose this and then start to build below, then we would be looking at lower prices, and obviously that 146.86 is going to be, the next price target that we would be looking at to the short side. I hope this video kind of helps you guys. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade with me each and every single day live, definitely join my Discord. If you guys are looking for a strategy or wondering kind of how I'm trading stocks on a day in and day out basis according to technical analysis and having a trading plan, visit my website evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime gold member. I'll see you guys all in the next video.